What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Yay! I love getting new things in the mail. So what I'm going to be unboxing today is I got a pair of sneakers. Sneakers. I love sneakers. So I ordered a pair of sneakers from Melody Ehsani. If you don't know who she is, that's a designer based in LA. I really love Melody Ehsani, so I'm just going to give you a quick background of her. Melody Ehsani is a Persian American woman. She grew up in Los Angeles, California, born and raised. She was in school to be a lawyer, so she applied to go to law school. However, she did not complete law school because she realized that wasn't the dream for her. So I feel like that's something I really love about her, because even though being a lawyer is extremely honorable and hardworking, like if somebody tells you they're a lawyer, you're probably automatically gonna be like, I got respect for this person because they did all of this hard work to get to being a lawyer. However, taking that journey to be something that you thought you wanted to do, or even having that courage to step back from something because you felt like it wasn't in your cards, even though you knew you could have made a lot of money from it, whatever, just I feel like is amazing. So Melody Ehsani did not graduate law school. However, she started designing, and so she designs jewelry, clothing, shoes, and she has many fantastic products. My first purchase ever for Melody Ehsani, I believe, was back in 2012. Don't quote me because I'm not 100% sure. And I brought a gold lion chain. But yeah, so anyway, back to the sneakers. So I ordered some of her sneakers. Sneakers. Oh, look how it's packaged. And it comes with, can you read that? Can you see? If you truly knew what you had was rare, you would never waste it. Julie Burns Walker. Nice. I'm moving away. So it also has a card at the top. So I don't know if you can. The women's Air Jordan. In 1998, Jordan Brand took inspiration from not only the greatest basketball player in the world, but also undeniable skill, style, and spirit of the Jumpman's women's community to create its first women's Air Jordan silhouette. Inspired by a community that was ready to claim its professional spot on the court, the silhouette was designed for women who were owning and growing the game across the world. From the dimpled leather of the Air Jordan 13 to the herringbone traction, the shoe was designed to do what MJ did, to fly. 2 decades later, the women's Air Jordan returns to inspire a new generation of women to claim their spot and own the game. And this says, Melody Ehsani, Inner Space, The Real Frontier. Nice. So I know you can't see it right now, but like where the lines are, these are holographic, reflective, maybe that's a word. So these are reflective lines, so it'll like shine when you put light on it. And they have a cherry on the front, and each stem of the cherry, one says Melanie and the other says Shadi. So this is the sneaker. This shit looks clean. This is nice. Mad nice. Melody Ehsani in the back. Oh, they're so soft. Like, this is mad soft. An extra pair of laces that also has the reflectiveness of the sneakers. So like you see where the gray area is, that's also reflective, the reflective portion. So on the tongues of the sneakers, there's a message. It says, the cherry throughout time has been a symbol of abundance, associated with the goddess of fertility and plenty. So I say to you, goddess, may your creativity be fertile, however you choose to use it, and may your abundance in all things good be yours. Big love to all my sisters all around the world. This one's for you, Melody Ehsani. And I think that was beautiful. I released these sneakers in March in honor of Women's History Month, the WNBA, and also it's the 20th anniversary of the movie Love and Basketball. And in that movie, Sanaya Lathan is portraying a women's basketball player. And it's just, her role in that movie is very iconic because it is the first time where we see women's basketball being put on the forefront. Yeah, Shani, I love you. And yeah, let me try this bad boy on. So look at my sock, y'all. It's clean. Hangs. I think Michael Jordan do the commercial for Fruit of the Loom though. So I might be set tripping. Oh, these feel good. These shit feel nice on my feet. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm not used to this. Wait. I'm sorry, I'm not even showing y'all. They feel good. And so you can see the sneakers lining up with the holographic. So that's what I was talking about earlier. The shoes, they fit great. They fit really well. They feel nice. These some bad shoes, yo. Like, bad isn't good, bro. I love them. Yo, I can't wait to wear them. And I've been wanting a pair of red and black sneakers. This is the other one. So, it's a sneaker. And look, the shoestrings. Remember I said they do that too? I'm definitely swapping laces because that's too fire. All right, y'all. So I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I'm so happy I got these shoes, yo. But thanks again for tuning in. Thank you for indulging in Aisha. And I'm just really happy. Yeah, look at that. Peace.